Hello everyone, how's everyone doing outside the world? Please be safe and stay healthy, guys. And my name is Vakla. People who's ever don't know me, and I'm the person behind this SVS Stream digital marketing page. I'm here from London. Uh, I'm doing my live interviews since I think maybe more than 6 months now. So I have been inviting few real-time business partners to my page, and they were sharing their stories how they become digital business owners. And today I do have an amazing guest from Canada. Her name is Deepti. She is also from India, and I'm also from India. Finally I got a chance to meet my home country co-digital business owner and business partner. So yeah, without wasting any time, so let me introduce her to be you guys. Hello Dipti, how are you doing today?
Hi, Wakula. How are you doing today?
I'm good, Dipti. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me today.
I'm honored to be having you. I'm so sorry because this should have been, I think, on Sunday, right? So I was keep delaying with. I have been struggled with some things, and yeah, and you also
That's okay.
and
That's
we
fine.
yeah, we also do have different kind of time zones.
Time
Yeah,
zones,
finally we
yes.
made it. Yes, yeah, finally we made it. That's I'm so happy and honored to be having you in my page today. So could you introduce about yourself? Who is Deepti and what she's doing and what she was doing? How she became a digital business owner?
Sure. So, to all the viewers, hi. As Wakula mentioned, my name is Deepti, and I'm originally from India, and but I'm currently living in Toronto, Canada. And professionally, I'm a dentist from India, and now I'm a stay-at-home mom because for me to practice in Canada, I would have to clear my dental license exam. And that's why I'm studying. And I took this business opportunity for myself so that I had nothing in my free time and I wanted to earn and I wanted to do. So that's why I'm decided myself to get into this business and earn and study is what is my plan.
Awesome. Yeah, it's really amazing. Excuse me, sorry. And
That's
how
okay.
did you manage your time? I think you are busy and you also mom, I think you mentioned me before. And you are studying also, you started studying to clear your license. So how did you manage your time? Because a few people were contacted me, they were asking me they have been busy with their full-time jobs. Can we able to do it? So what is your answer for them?
So, as I said again, so this business is something which can be done by anyone, even if it's a full time job, even if somebody is like stay at home mom like me, and who is looking for a part time options because this business doesn't require you to sit on your laptop the entire day because we have an automation system, Vakula. So that most of the heavy work is already done for us. And as I'm studying and I'm a mom, so I have a very busy, like my day is busy with her. She keeps me on my toes all the time. So it's not like I'm always sitting on the laptop. I have my phone, which is very handy. So my business is on the go. That's the best thing which I like. And and by the time I wake up in the morning, I get to see my mails, or maybe when my baby is sleeping in the afternoon, or maybe after she goes sleep at the night, that's when I'm doing my business. So this can be done if, and I feel if I can do it as as a mom, as a student, then everybody can do it.
Yes, that's true. I do agree with you, Diti. Actually, I'm also mom. I
Yeah.
do have a 1.5 year old daughter, so she's also need. She also need my attention. So I also do same like you, while playing with her and while preparing some meals for my family, and while doing some garden work because it's summer came here, so I can also do same like you, as long as we do have a mobile phone or tablet or laptop, whatever the friendly gadget we are using on daily basis. So yes, I do agree with you because we don't need to spend much time. I usually spend, I think, if I calculate, like, how long time I was spent it in day to do my business, I can say like 1 to 2 hours,
Mm-hmm.
maybe less than 2 hours. Yes, yeah, I do agree with you. That's what we are doing, guys. So it makes us so much easy because of we do have a 90% automated system. The system runs 24/7 even when we sleep. So that gives us an opportunity to spend less hours and and more with our 90% automated system. So Dipti, how did you find this business opportunity? Because a few people have been watching us and they were asking me, like, how did you find this opportunity? I was keep telling them, like, I found this opportunity through social media, like you guys, you are watching me. So how did you find this opportunity for yourself?
So, Wakula, so I found this while I was browsing my news feed, and one day I came across this ad, and there was this mom who was just like me, and she was mentioning like she's able to do this business in her free time. She's not being onto the onto the laptop, or she's not a computer person, and that and she had nice good results. She's able to earn and contribute towards her family income. So I was like, okay, if I tried, and she invited me to watch a webinar. That's the actual thing. But I was hesitant, Wakulas, because when it comes to online, everybody thinks, oh, this is not something, there could be some catch in it. So I was the same way. But then I kept seeing these ads, and I was seeing that there are many people doing it. And I was like, okay, let me give a chance for myself. So I watched the webinar, and after watching it, I was like, oh, so I was actually very inspired. Like many people talking their success stories and how they're doing this business very well, and they're all regular people like you and me. It's not like they are not anyone who's taken their courses, or who have studied the business. They come like they're moms, they're accountants, they're software engineers like you, then they're teachers, lawyers. So it's like, okay, this business is being done by everyone, so why can't I do it? And that's how I jumped into the system.
Yes, yeah, that's really, I do agree with you, Dipti, because I also found this opportunity through Facebook newsfeed. And I also did, I was skeptical, same like you, because as you mentioned, we have seen so many scams going on today's world, like online world. So I have been watched our live webinar 5 times here in London. It's just 1 a.m. on Wednesday for me.
Okay, yeah.
We do have a different kind of time
Yes.
zones, right? So, but I don't want to give up because I wanted to do something and I wanted to stay with my daughter.
Yeah.
So that's why I just watched 5 times our live webinar, and it was really inspiring. When we heard real people and their success stories, really inspiring me a lot. And as you mentioned, we don't have to have strong technical skills to do this business because we do have a step-by-step video format training. And few people have been contacting me, in our day-to-day business inquiries. They were asking me, one lady, she's working as a receptionist. I don't want to mention her name. And she's saying, I'm working as a receptionist, I'm not much tech savvy, can I able to
Mhm.
do this business? So I answer her, anyone can do it. And she's a little bit of scary because of she is keep mentioning, I don't have any marketing skills and I don't have any business background. So I told her, you don't need to have anything because we do have a step by step video format training. Once you come into this business, the video format training will be with you forever. And you also do have individual mentors, coaches available for you 24/7 whenever you need it. And we also do have amazing global community of 78K people now. So these people are coming from all around the world because of, doesn't matter if you are my business partner from Australia or other countries, and if I am not available for you as a mentor, because of we do have a different kind of time zones, but someone will available for you and your country in our global community, so you can ask
Yes.
them also, because our community people are very helpful. They won't never ever say no to me, because when I contacted them, when I watched our free live webinar, I was contacted them through Facebook straight away before coming into this business. So I was asking them few questions. They're really so sweet, and they were answering me all my questions. They were telling me like, this is 100% legit business, so you don't need to worry. So that gives me a kind of like, assurance and confidence. So yes, yeah, I do agree with you. And one more thing I would like to ask you is like, people were skeptical still about these online things, and few people they wanted to come into this business, and they are still like a fence sitters. So what is your message for them?
See, honestly, Vakula, I have seen many people, who are like, who want to get into this business, but they're really not, you know, convinced that this is a real business. For like, I try to tell them, like, watch the webinar. There is no harm. It's risk free. That's what I did, because I was the same way. I was like, I was nervous and I was hesitant and was like, because I am from a healthcare background and I had no computer skills. I'm not a computer person. Like, I just do regular browsing, and that's what I am. So if I would like to mention people, like, give yourself, come out of the comfort zone, give yourself a chance. This is something wherein we don't need your business background or your business experience, because everything is out there for you. We have all step by step. It's very user friendly, and it's like the, and as Wakula said, the community which we have is like, it's growing day by day. It's not like it's one or two people. We have our Indian community in there, and
Yes,
so we have too many Indian friends. We have met it, like me and Wakula, we have never met.
yes,
So
yeah,
that's how this community has brought us together. Like, she's sitting in London and I'm in Toronto, and we're able to do talk. We're able to let people know that this is real. Like, if it wasn't real, me being a dentist and she being an engineer wouldn't actually, come out and talk this and promote about it and let people, be aware of that everything is genuine. We get our business tax slips. We have webinars, and we have masterminds that actually help you to grow in your business. And that's what I would like to tell people, like, take a leap. Just watch the webinar, and it's not mandatory for you to join into it. Watch it, and if it is something which you think you can do it, join us. If it is not, it's okay, you can step back. Nobody is just saying you to do it right away. Take your time, do your research. Everything is out there, everything is online nowadays. So, and as Wakula is here, she's a wonderful mentor. So get in touch with her, and she's a wonderful person, and I have talked to her before as well, and now also she is a wonderful person. So, and just get in touch and clear your doubts. All you have to do is just put in your name and email address, and you'll be invited to watch the webinar. That's how simple it is.
thank you so much for your kind words, Dipti. And I'm really honored to be like, meet you and to be having you today on my page. And as Dipti said, that's what we are doing, and that's what we are suggesting to people who are reaching out to me.
Yes.
I would like to add one more point, guys. Uh, like, people who's ever wanted to do like a part-time or full-time, or if you are thinking of having a plan B, this is also very good opportunity, because few people were asking me, can I able to do this business like as a part-time? So you definitely can able to do this business like as a part-time. It's totally up to your choice. Like, you can do part-time, because we have seen so many uncertain things happening in today's world, right? So there is so many layoffs going on, so many like, so many people lost their jobs, and so many uncertain things we heard from people, and we have seen them in news. So yeah, just make it like a plan B. If you're like, scared with something else, your present career, jobs or whatever it is. So yeah, this is also can able to do, as long as Dipti mentioned, like, she is not a computer tech savvy. Doesn't mean people were asking me, you can say anything because of you are computer tech savvy. Not like that, guys, because even I'm a computer tech savvy because I haven't used not even single or 0% knowledge, the knowledge whatever I got with my career job, because this is totally different. And there is a step by step video format training, as I mentioned you earlier. So as long as you are willing to coachable and you do have a strong desire to change your life for you or for your loved ones, so you are good to go. There is nothing can stop you to be success in this business until you put your effort and your hard work. And if you are willing to coachable, you do have a strong desire to change your life. So that's what I can say for you guys. So yes, Dipti, what is your favorite thing in our business? I know there is so many favorite things. That's what brings us to come into this business. So what is yours?
So yeah, as you said, there are many things to be, like about this business. But for me, the best part is the flexibility which the business has. Because as I said before as well, the one thing which made me jump into this is because I don't have to be on the computer and the laptop every time. I can take this business with me, like it's on the phone. So it's not like I have to carry the laptop as well. So on my phone. And the other thing is the automation. That is the other best thing which I feel is like, because I wake up every day morning feeling enthusiastic and excited to see, oh, what my business has gotten to me today. And yeah, these are the two biggest points for me as a business owner. I really feel like this is one of the best things that has this business has in it. That's according to me again, Bakula.
Yes, yeah. I also do have, like, those two, yeah, as you mentioned, like, flexibility that gives us a lot of time to spend with our family. So that's also my favorite thing. And one more thing is, like, we do have individual mentors, coaches available for us all the time, like, whenever we need it. And one more best thing what brings me into this business is there is no selling involved in this business. So because I'm not the person to convince people to sell something for them, and I can't able to do, like, knocking doors and asking them people to buy something from me. So that's the one thing, like, really pushing me to come into this business. And one more thing is, this is 100% legit, right? So we
Yeah.
don't need to worry about like what's going on. If today is happy. If tomorrow, I don't need to worry about, like, tomorrow what's going
Mm-hmm.
on in my business, because we have seen so many, right? And I also seen few of my friends, they have been, like, scammed by other people, and they were trusted a lot and they have been scammed by them, which is sad. So yes, and one more thing is we can also able to build legacy for our kids, because our parents always worry about ourselves, right? So and they become 50s and 60s, they always worry about ourselves, how we will be settled, and, like, how we will be, like, plan our future. And always they do have something going on in their brains. But when it comes to me, I don't need to worry about my kids future, being
Yeah.
as a mom when I became 50s or 60s, because we do have a legacy in this business, right? Whatever the earnings we earn, we can able to pass our business to our kids, and they can also like, pass to their kids, like future generations. So which really, like, I'm forever thankful the happening these thing only in our business, because I have seen so many businesses, and which gives maybe, like, when we put hard work, when we put our effort, it gives us amazing results. But I haven't seen any other businesses, they do have a legacy in their business.
Mm-hmm.
So which is really amazing. So
Yeah.
yes, yeah, these all are the things are my favorites. So yes, yeah. So Dipti, you are a dentist, right? So can I ask you one question? So how can we protect our teeth, being as a mom, and we also worried about our kids, right? So could you able to give us a suggestion?
Yeah, sure. That would be my pleasure, Wakula. So all that's the regular advice which usually all the dentist says, brush twice and floss every day as possible. I know most of us don't floss, but flossing actually helps. And yeah, brushing twice, that's the most common thing I would say. And
All right.
every 6 months, if it's possible, get a dental checkup done.
All right. Okay. So for kids also same thing you will gonna suggest me.
Yeah.
So many other moms also watching us. I think I do have a lot of moms in my followers. So that's why I asked for them also. So yeah. Thank you so much for your suggestion. It's
No
really honored to
problem.
be having you on my page today. And like, it's been maybe evening for you, I guess.
Yeah, it's 6:30.
All right. Yeah. Have a lovely evening. And like, that's it for today, guys. So if you have any questions, just like, contact me. If you want to watch our free live webinars, just register with your name and email address and watch our free live webinars. After watching our free live webinars, if you still have any questions, please do reach out to me. I'm happy to help you to become your own digital business owner. So that's it for today. I will be come up with another a digital business owner. Real people will get amazing results with this business. So that's it for today, guys, from London. So take care. Bye bye. Good night. Bye, Diti.
Bye, Vakala.